Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to automate tasks with Claude Code. Claude Code can automate many of the repetitive tasks developers perform every day. Instead of manually reviewing code, generating documentation or checking for issues, you can configure Claude to handle these tasks automatically and save valuable time. Now, can you automate? Well, there are a lot of things that you can automate with literally Claude. So you can automate tasks such as code reviews, documentation updates, bug analysis, pull request summaries, release notes, code refactoring, suggestions, test generation, project analysis, and so much more. By automating these activities, you can spend more time building features and less time doing repetitive work. So you can use Claude Code with hooks. One of the easiest ways to automate tasks is with hooks. So hooks allow Claude Code to automatically perform actions when certain events happen, such as starting a session, editing a file, running a command, completing a task. So let me explain it to you more deeply. Let's say, for an example, I am coding something, or let's say I'm working on software. And let's say, for example, this is like the software that I have, and I have opened it, and I have changed the code that is existed in it. Thus, by the fact that it's changed and I saved it, Claude Code will automatically run a background check and see the code, the security of the code. If there is any mistakes, it's literally going to do a full analysis for the code automatically, as long as you have Claude running, and of course as long as the file has been edited. So once you combine these two things, which is a trigger, well, Claude will eventually make an event, which is checking the code, give you a summary, depending on exactly what you asked them to do. So yeah guys, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.